What up, everyone? This is episode 1 of my Blizzard / snowed in kitchen, where I'm gonna make something nice and warm to forget about the snow out there. Today's recipe is gonna be garlic knots. Never made these before, but it's gonna be great. So I've got half a can of Pillsbury pizza dough here. I've got some Mediterranean dipping oil with the little herbs and stuff, some butter, and some chopped minced garlic in there. Oh god. When I took this out of the microwave, it smelled amazing. So, and with the garlic, it's even better. So we've got this mixture here. We're gonna set this aside. Next, we're going to... Now, Old Chicago has this. I've seen one way Old Chicago makes these. They're basically taking rolled up pizza dough and cutting it and keeping it in those circles. I don't know how to make their bigger pepperoni rolls, but I imagine it's not that different. Maybe I should have let this dough come to room temperature. Oh well. Cooking is all about experimentation, so that's what we're doing, experimenting. Gonna pop these in the oven for a little bit, maybe 12 minutes to start with, and I'll see how they turn out.